I am Ranjit.
And I am Om.
We have a series of uplifting stories from our educational hub and all the units of Satpura Shikshan Sanstha, Jalgaon Jammu. Let's get started with headlines.
Headline 1. Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Jalgaon Jammu host Advisory Committee meeting.
Headline number 2. Agriculture Engineering student excel in boxing championship.
Bhushan Shri Krishna Paraskar from Satpura Vidyalaya Pahujira shines in Dr. Homi Baba Science Examination.
Headline number 4. Women's Economic Empowerment by Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Jammu.
Headline 5. Satpura Institution excels in AIDS Awareness Drive.
Headline number 6. CPR Awareness by Satpura Institution of Pharmacy.
Practical learning for Satpura Institution of Nursing in Hospital.
Headline number 8. Mr. Pratik Eknath Same is recognized for his agriculture dedication. Now let's see our top story today. The Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Jalgaon Jammu hosted the advisory committee meeting. Let's delve into the details of the significant gathering.
Absolutely, Pranjali. Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Jalgaon witnessed the convening of Science Advisory Committee on December 13, 2023. This annual event is crucial, focusing on making the centers work community-oriented, effective, necessity-based, and integrating modern technology. The meeting featured its team members, including Mr. Krishna Rauji Ingre, Chairman of Satpura Education Institute, as the President, Dr. D.B. Undirwade, Director of Extension Education, Dr. Panjabrao Deshmukh, Krishi Vidyapeeth Akola, Dr. Tushar Atre, Scientist, Krishi Vistar, Atari, Pune Online, and other distinguished individuals from various fields.
Mr. Vikas Jadhav, Director of Satpura Educational Institute, provided an overview on the central activity from previous year. Mr. Krishna Rauji Ingre emphasized the need for technology-oriented assistance to farmers, promoting self-employment and making technology available for the cultivation of specific crops. The committee discussed plans to integrate villages, demonstrated initiatives and stimulate all plants. Several members presented their visions for different aspects of agriculture, from net training program to animal husbandry and more.
In addition, the meeting highlighted the importance of practical learning with suggestions on various agricultural assets including seed, oilseed sector and youth training program. The committee concluded with the expression of gratitude led by Mr. Anil Gabane and Sanjay Kumar.
A warm welcome extended to all the dignitaries and a fruitful discussion for the future of agriculture development in the region. Now let's delve into our next headline. Headline number 2. Agriculture Engineering student excel in boxing championship.
Breaking the barriers beyond academics, final year student from Agricultural Engineering, Master Mangesh Gajanan Gawande from Krishi Vigyan Kendra Jalgaon Jammu is set to represent the institution in university level boxing championship at Chandigarh University.
Mangesh dedication and skill make him a standout, not just only in the agriculture engineering department, but also an inspiration for aspiring athletes at the institution. Let's delve into our next headline to uncover more details. Headline number 3. Bhushan Shri Krishna Paraskar from Satpura Vidyalaya Pahujira shines in Homi Baba Science exam.
Moving on to academics, 9th grade student Master Bhushan Paraskar from Satpura Vidyalaya in Pahujira triumphs in the Dr. Homi Baba Science Examination, setting the bar high for the academic excellence.
At a felicitation ceremony, Principal Shri Wankhede Sir honors Bhushan, commending his dedication and encouraging him to continue pursuing academic excellence. Now let's delve into our 4th headline. Headline number 4. Women's Economic Empowerment by Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Jammu.
In inspiring event, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Jalgaon Jammu organized a woman farmer discussion with expert master Shyam Sundar board encourage women to become economically independent through saving groups, offering insight into various agricultural business.
The event aimed at equipping women and rural youth with knowledge about various trades, showcasing the potential for economic development. The program was a resounding success with enthusiastic participation from many women and young girls. Let's now shift our focus to the 5th headline for more details. Headline number 5. Satpura Institution excel in AIDS awareness drive.
Shifting to the health awareness, Swatantraveer Ganpatrao English College champions AIDS awareness, emphasizing collective participation for community well-being.
It's impressive to see educational institutions actively contributing to the health of our community. Now let's move on to our sixth headline for a closer look at the story. Headline number 6, CPR Awareness Initiative by Satpura Institute of Pharmacy.
In collaboration with the Council of India Pharmacy, Satpura Institute of Pharmacy in Shegaon actively participates in comprehensive CPR awareness program, protesting the culture of preparedness in emergencies.
Their dedication to promoting health and well-being with the community is commendable. Now let's dive into our seventh headline to uncover more details. Headline number 7, Practical Learning for Satpura Nursing Student in Hospital Immersion.
In hands-on educational experience, BSc nursing students from Satpura College gain practical insight during their immersive hospital experience, preparing them for their future roles in healthcare.
It's a testament to Satpura College commitment to providing a holistic education. Finally, let's explore our 8th headline for additional insights. Headline number 8, Mr. Pratik Eknath Sabe is recognized for his agricultural dedication.
In a significant achievement, Master Pratik Eknath Sabe, an exemplary youth in the field of agriculture, has been conferred with the prestigious state-level award organized for his dedication service. He became a role model of agricultural service.
A heartfelt congratulations to Mr. Pratik Eknath Sabe. The award ceremony is set to take place at the Agricultural Service Recognition event on January 7, 2024 in Rawat, Jalgaon. That wraps up our news for today. Thank you for joining us on Satpura News.